Magnesium is one of the most powerful minerals that can dramatically improve the quality of your sleep, and it's likely that you're not getting enough of it. In fact, studies suggest that up to 75% of people are magnesium deficient, which could be one of the reasons you're struggling with poor sleep. Today, let's dive into how magnesium for better sleep works, the benefits it offers, and how you can use it to finally get the restful, restorative sleep you deserve. What is magnesium and why does it matter for sleep? Magnesium is an essential mineral that plays a vital role in over 300 biochemical reactions in the body. One of its most important functions is its ability to help regulate your nervous system, muscle function, and sleep patterns. Magnesium influences neurotransmitters, the brain's messengers that send signals to your body to help it relax and sleep. If you've been dealing with insomnia, anxiety, or disrupted sleep, magnesium could be the key to restoring a natural, restful sleep cycle. How magnesium helps calm the nervous system. One of magnesium's most important effects is its ability to calm the nervous system. Magnesium helps increase the production of GABA, gamma-aminobutyric acid, a neurotransmitter that promotes relaxation and reduces brain activity. By activating GABA, magnesium encourages your body to wind down, relax, and prepare for sleep. This is especially helpful for those who experience a racing mind or anxiety that prevents them from falling asleep. When magnesium levels are low, it becomes harder for GABA to do its job, which is why many people with magnesium deficiencies struggle with sleep problems. Ensuring that your magnesium levels are sufficient can help you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. Magnesium and stress reduction for better sleep. Magnesium is also a powerful tool in reducing stress, which can be a major contributor to poor sleep. When we are stressed, the body releases cortisol, a stress hormone that increases alertness and interferes with the body's ability to rest. High levels of cortisol at night prevent the body from entering deep sleep, which is when healing and cell regeneration occur. Magnesium helps to regulate cortisol levels, ensuring that your body can naturally enter a state of relaxation, allowing you to sleep more soundly and wake up feeling refreshed. In fact, studies have shown that magnesium supplementation can reduce cortisol levels, making it a natural stress reliever. Muscle relaxation and magnesium's role in sleep. If you often experience muscle tension, cramps, or restless legs that keep you awake, magnesium may be exactly what you need. Magnesium helps regulate calcium in muscle cells, which ensures proper muscle contraction and relaxation. This is particularly beneficial if you experience leg cramps or muscle spasms, common culprits of interrupted sleep. Magnesium's ability to relax muscles can help reduce these nighttime disturbances, allowing you to rest peacefully without waking up due to discomfort. Magnesium and melatonin production for sleep regulation. Magnesium also plays a critical role in the production of melatonin, the hormone that controls your sleep-wake cycle. Melatonin signals to your body when it's time to sleep and when it's time to wake up, helping you maintain a natural sleep rhythm. By increasing magnesium intake, you support the production of melatonin, which can help you fall asleep faster and enjoy deeper, more restorative sleep. A regular sleep-wake cycle is essential for overall health, and magnesium ensures that your internal clock is in sync. The quality of sleep. Magnesium's impact on deep sleep. Not only does magnesium help you fall asleep, but it also improves the overall quality of your sleep. Magnesium promotes deep sleep, which is the most restorative stage of your sleep cycle. Deep sleep is when your body undergoes cellular repair, strengthens the immune system, and consolidates memories. When magnesium levels are adequate, your body can spend more time in this critical phase, allowing you to wake up feeling truly rested and rejuvenated. How to incorporate magnesium into your routine. Now that you understand how magnesium can benefit your sleep, let's look at how you can incorporate it into your nightly routine. The most common way to take magnesium is through supplements, which come in various forms like magnesium citrate, magnesium glycinate, and magnesium oxide. Each form has different absorption rates, so it's important to choose one that suits your needs. If you prefer a natural approach, magnesium-rich foods can also help boost your magnesium intake. Foods like spinach, almonds, pumpkin seeds, avocados, and dark chocolate are all great sources of magnesium. For a more relaxing, topical approach, magnesium oil or Epsom salt baths can be an excellent way to absorb magnesium through the skin. Taking a warm Epsom salt bath before bed can help soothe sore muscles and relax your body, preparing you for sleep. Magnesium dosage. How much do you need? The recommended daily intake of magnesium varies based on age and gender. For adult women, the recommended dosage is about 310 to 320 milligrams per day, and for men, it's 400 to 420 milligrams. However, if you are looking to improve your sleep, taking magnesium 30-60 minutes before bed is typically the most effective. Before starting any supplement regimen, it's always best to consult with a healthcare provider, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking other medications. Magnesium deficiency and sleep disorders. A magnesium deficiency can lead to various sleep problems, including difficulty falling asleep, staying asleep, or experiencing poor quality sleep. If you're constantly feeling fatigued, anxious, or stressed, and are not getting the deep sleep your body needs, magnesium deficiency might be at the root of the issue. Getting enough magnesium can support a more restful sleep cycle, help you manage stress, relax your muscles, and reduce insomnia. If you suspect you're deficient, consider testing your magnesium levels and discussing supplementation options with your healthcare provider. Conclusion: magnesium for better sleep. Magnesium is a powerful mineral that can improve your sleep quality, enhance relaxation, and regulate your sleep-wake cycle. Whether you choose magnesium supplements, magnesium-rich foods, or topical treatments like Epsom salt baths, magnesium can be the key to unlocking a deeper, more restful sleep. By ensuring that your magnesium levels are optimal, you're setting yourself up for not just better sleep, but better overall health. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips on improving your health and wellness, and leave a comment below sharing how magnesium has helped you sleep better. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more health tips. Please see the link in the description box for the full blog article.